Okay, students, in last lecture, we have done what is operator uh, and types of operators, and we done arithmetic operator and comparison operators. Okay, now this is a third type, logical operators. Clear? These are basically used to operate with conditional statements and expressions. Okay, these operators are used with conditions like in decision making statements, in loops. Okay, conditional statements are based on conditions. Also, a condition can either be met or cannot be met. So the result of conditional statement can either be true or false. Based on the condition, that is condition is false or true. Okay, condition either be met or not met. The result of conditional statement can either be true or false. On the basis of result of condition, then we will execute some code, or we may not execute some code. Clear? And here the operators are AND operator, OR operator, XOR, logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. Clear? Logical NOT is a unary operator, and these are the binary operators. AND returns true if both X and Y are true. Clear? Or it returns true either X or Y is true. Clear? In this case, we need only one true for getting result true. Clear? And in XOR, it returns true if either X or Y is true but not both. Clear? It returns true if both are different. If X is true, then Y is false. Okay, then it returns true. For getting result true, one is true and other is false. If both are true or false, then XOR gives us false. And here is logical AND. It returns true if both X and Y, both operands are true. Okay. For getting result true, in case of logical AND, both must be true. In logical OR, you need only one operand is true for getting result true, either X or Y. Clear? And in logical NOT, it returns true. It returns true if X is not true. Clear? We are checking not X. We will see examples. Logical, here we are seeing the example of AND operator, logical AND. X having value 100 and Y have value 50. And if X equal 100 and Y equal 50, now X equal 100, it returns true, and Y equal 50, it returns also true. So both are true, so we are getting result true. And if will execute, and it will print this string. Clear? And next example of logical OR. Here the example is same. Now Y have value 50, but in the condition we are checking X equal 100, it will return true, or Y equal 80, but Y have value 50, so 50 is not equal to 80, so it returns false. Okay, now true or false, we are getting result true, because in case of or, if one condition is true, then it will return us true. But in case of and, both conditions are compulsory true for getting result true. If any one of these conditions is false, then we are getting result false. Okay. But in case of or, one of the condition is true, then we will get result true. Now it returns true, and if we'll execute and print this string, these are the control statements we will do in further lectures. Clear? Now example of XOR. We are having x equal 100 and y equal 50. Here we are performing XOR operation. X equal 100, it will return true, and y equal 80. We are checking if y equal to 80, but y have content 50. So 50 is not equal to 80, it returns false. Now these are different, both are different. True XOR false will return true, and if will be execute, it will print hello world statement. In C programming, you may learn exclusive or operator, bitwise exclusive or, I think. Okay, and this is what, this is XOR. And here logical not operator. Now this is the example of logical not. Logical not operator, and this is a unary operator, appears before its operand. Clear? Okay. Now we are checking if not x equal 90. Clear? Here we are checking if not x equal 90 and x has the content 100. So x is not equal to 90. And also we are checking not x equal to 90. And this condition is true. X is not equal to 90 and it returns true. And if will execute this statement. Clear? Now move to next slide. Here we have a logical AND operator. X equal to 100 and y equal to 50. We are taking same example. And in if statement, we are checking if x equal to 100 and y equal to 50. It returns true because x have content 100, and it returns also true. And we do true and true. Both conditions are true, then it will return us true. So if is true, then control enters in the if block and execute this echo statement. Clear? If here is 80, suppose, and this will return then false, and true and false will be false. If will false. Clear? Then if the this condition is false, then if will not be executed. Okay. Now we have a difference between and logical and operator. Clear? For this we have an example. Here we have a variable named bool and we are assigning true and false. Clear? And in bool, what is the value will be? False. True and false will return false. Clear? And in echo statement, this is we have conditional operator. Okay. We will do in further slides. Here, as you learn in C programming, this is a expression 1, expression 2, and expression 3. And first expression is conditional expression. Okay. In first expression, we will provide some condition, and on the basis of the result of that condition, if condition is true, then expression second will be executed. But if condition is false, then expression 3 will be executed. Clear? Now, when we did true and false, it will return false, and variable bool have value false. And in echo statement, we are doing conditional operator. Like now bool have value false, so expression 1 is false. Clear? And if expression 1 is false, then it will execute expression 3. Clear? And the answer is false. Now, when we did this with AND operator, what happened? Expression to use AND operator. Clear? Now what happened? This AND operator have lower precedence than this assignment operator. Clear? In the last lecture, I will tell you about the precedence. Precedence means priority of the operand. It decides when to evaluate operator first. Okay. Which operator to be executed first. The operators which have higher priority will be executed first. Clear? Now AND operator have lower priority than this assignment operator. So in this expression, first assignment operator will be performed. Clear? Now the value true, which is right side of the assignment operator, will be assigned to this bool variable. Clear? And when we are performing this conditional statement, now bool have value true, and if expression 1 is true, then expression 2 will be executed. Clear? And it will print true. But what the actual result is, correct result is what? False. Clear? Now we have some explanation about the example. The result of both operator is different whenever operands are same. Okay. Operands are same, but results are different. The first expression evaluates to false, while the second expression evaluates true, even though both are using the same operation. Clear? The first expression bool evaluates false because first AND operation is performed, logical AND operation is performed, then the result to assigned to the variable bool, because precedence of AND operator is higher than the precedence of assignment operator. Clear? In the second expression, bool evaluates to true because the operator AND has the lower precedence than operator assignment. So the value true, which is on the right side of assignment, is assigned to bool, and then AND operation is performed internally but is not assigned. Therefore, bool now have value true. Clear? Is it clear to you? Okay. So what it said? It said this operator and have lower priority than this assignment operator. So the operator with the higher priority will be executed first. This is the example of logical OR operator, and here we have same example. Uh, X equal, we are checking X if X equal 100 or Y equal 80. Now it will return true because X have 100, and it will return false because 50 Y have 50. But we are checking 50 equal to 80, and this return false. And when we do true or false, then it will return true. And if is true, so executes this statement in the if block. And this is logical not operator. Okay, we did this example. Here we are comparing X with 90, but X have value 100. X is not equal to 90, clear? And also we are checking not if not X equal to 90. Okay, it will return true because X is 100, not equal to 90. It will return true, and if is true, so control enters in the if statement and execute this echo statement. Then next is assignment operators. Assignment operators. Here we have different types of assignments. Like these are the basic arithmetic assignments. Clear? In arithmetic assignment, as you seen in the C++ programming, in arithmetic assignment, we use arithmetic operators with the assignment operator. Clear? Like this: addition, equal, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment. Clear? And this is the what? This is a simple assignment operator. Assign values from right side operands to the left side operand. Clear? Like in this example, a plus b, after evaluating this expression, the result will be stored to C. Then next, add and assignment. Add and assignment. Clear? These are two operators. It adds right operand to the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. What it will do? It said it adds right operand to the left operand. Okay. First, it add right operand with the left operand. Okay. In this example, this statement is equal to this: C plus equal A is equivalent to C equal C plus A. Okay. And what is said? It adds right operand with the left operand and then assign result to the left operand. Clear? Like we have I equal I plus 1. We can write this statement as I plus equal 1. Clear? Both are the same statements. Clear? And by using increment operator, we can write this. We will see in the increment operator. Okay. Okay. This statement is same as this statement. Clear? Subtract and assignment operator, similar to add, but the operation now is subtraction. So it will subtract right operand from left operand, okay, and assign result back to left operand. If we write I equal I minus 1, it will same as I minus equal 1. Clear? Similar to similar multiply operation, this statement is similar to this. It multiply right operand with left operand and assign result back to left operand. Clear? Same divide operand, divide and assignment. Clear? It divides left operand with the right operand. Okay. Divide left operand with right operand and then result stored back to left operand. Same as modulus remainder operator, remainder and assignment, modulus and assignment. It takes modulus using two operands and then assign the result to the left operand. Clear? These are the assignment operators. Here is the example of simple assignment. We are having x variable and assigning value 10 to it and printing x. And this is add and assignment operator example. Here we have x equal 20 and we are doing add and assignment. Okay. This statement is equal to x equal x plus 100. Clear? X have value 20, 100 and 20 is 120. And here we are printing value of x. It prints 120. And this is the modulus and assignment. Here x have value 15 and we are doing modulus. This statement is equal to this x remainder 4. Clear? When we divide 15 with 4, it gives us remainder 3. Okay. And now increment decrement operators. Okay. The PHP increment operators are used to increment variables value by 1 and decrement used to decrement or decrease the value by 1. Clear? The symbol used for incrementing is double addition and symbol for decrement operator is double minus. Clear? And there are two types of increment decrement operators, like pre-increment, or we can say prefix. Okay. And here we have a prefix decrement, and second type is postfix, or we have post increment and post decrement. Okay. As you see, pre means first. Okay. Or we can say pre means before. and post means after. Clear? You can also see in pre-increment operators becomes first, or operators becomes before the operand, and also in pre-increment or decrement, first we perform increment or decrement. As you can see, pre means before or first. First we will perform increment or decrement, then we can use the value of this operand for any other operation. Clear? In postfix, post means after. Okay, and now you can see also in post increment or decrement, operator symbols comes after the operand, and also increment or decrement operations will be performed after. After means first the value of the variable will be used for any operation, then the value of operand will be increment or decrement. Okay, in pre-increment or decrement, first the value of variable will be incremented or decremented, and then you can use, or you then the value of variable will be used for any other operation. Clear? In postfix, it is the reverse of prefix increment or decrement. In post increment or decrement, symbols also comes after the operand, and from that you can guess an idea that first the value of variable will be used for any other operation, and then after the value of variable will be incremented or decremented. Clear? You can see the example. All of these examples we will perform in the practical session. Okay, and this is the example. This is the PHP code, and here we have the value of x equal 10 and y have a value 9. Okay, this is the example of pre increment or decrement. Clear? And in pre increment or decrement, symbols are comes before the operand, and from that you can get the idea that first the value of variable will be incremented or decremented, and then the value of variable will be used for any other operation. Clear? Now see this statement. See this statement: a equal increment x. Clear? Here operator symbols comes before the operand, so now you can see first the value of variable will be increment. Clear? This statement is equal to, x equal x plus 1, and this statement is equal to y equal y minus 1. Clear? And here now x is in memory, also y is in memory, and a is in memory, and b is in memory. Okay, x have value 10 and y have value 9. Okay, now when this statement executes, it will first, okay, what happened in this statement? X is incremented and values assigned to a. Okay, first x will be incremented by 1. Now x have the value 11. Okay, then the value of x will be used for assignment to a. Clear? Now a has also value 11. Clear? And in second statement, this is also a pre-decrement statement, so first the value of variable will be decremented. Y have value 9, but after decrement it have value 9 minus 1, 8. 8 will be assigned to back to y. Clear? Now y have value 8. Okay, and now the value of variable y will be used for operation. And what is operation? Operation is assignment to B. Value of y is assigned to B. Now B have value 8. Okay. And here we are printing x a y b. Clear? You can see the output. Okay. Now next example is of a post increment or decrement. You can see the difference here. Example is same, but we here we are using post increment and post decrement. Clear? And in the post increment or decrement, you can see the operator symbols comes after the operand. And now we can get an idea. First, the value of variable will be used for any operation, and then the value of variable will be incremented or decremented. Clear? Here you can see this statement. First, the operator symbols comes after the operand. So increment, decrement will be performed after any operation. Clear? Here first the value of x will be assigned to a. Okay. In memory we have x variable, we have y variable, we have a variable, and we have b variable. Clear? X have value 10, y have value 9. Okay. Now for here what happened in this statement? First the value of x will be assigned to a. Okay. Now value of x is assigned to a, and a have value 10. After this, the value of variable will be incremented. X equal x plus 1. Okay. 10 plus 1, 11, and 11 will be assigned to x. Now x have value 11. Okay. And in the second statement, we are decremented y by post decrement. Clear? First, the value of variable will be used for operation. And what is the operation? Value of variable will be assigned to b. Now b have value 9. And after this, the value of y will be decremented. Okay. Y equal y minus 1. Y have value 9 minus 1. Now it have value 8. Clear? Now y have value 8. Clear? Okay, these are the examples of postfix and prefix, increment, decrement, or you can say pre-increment, decrement, or post-increment or decrement. And now we have string operators. There are two types of string operators. First is dot operator. We can say concatenation, and second is concatenation assignment. These are the two operators here, concatenation and assignment. This is used to concatenate two strings. Concatenation of txt1 and txt2 variable means concatenation means combine. Okay. And this is concatenation assignment, and what it will perform: appends txt2 to txt1. This statement equivalent to txt1 equal txt1 concatenate with txt2. Okay. It will combine both the strings, and then result will be stored back to txt1. Clear? And here the examples of concatenation operator. This dot operator is concatenation operator. Okay. Now it will we have two variables, hello, and then in txt2 we have world, and we are printing it by concatenating both the string. It will print hello world. Now you see there is a first, here is a space. Okay, this space you can see here. If you are not putting any space here, then this will not, there is no any space, and it will print like this, hello world, no space in between. Okay, but here is a space, so it will print here. Now this is a concatenation assignment. You can see here we are printing txt1. Okay, in txt1 we have content hello, and in txt2 we have content world. But by doing this concatenation assignment, it will equivalent to txt variable equal to txt1 concatenate with txt2. Okay, here we have string hello, and here we have string world. Okay, and both strings are combined, and result will be stored in txt1 variable. Clear? Now these are the PHP array operators. We will do these operators while in the next lectures when we do array topic. Clear? At that time you are able to understand these operators. These are these are the operators which are performed on the array. So you should first have the knowledge about the array, types of array. So we will do these all operators when we will cover array operator, array topic. Clear? Like union, equality, identity, inequality, inequality. Okay, and non-identity. These are the types of array operators. Okay, this is the example of union. Okay, we are doing union to two arrays, array 1 and array 2, but you can not understand now what is this. So when we will cover array topic, then you are able to understand. Clear? At that time we will do all these array operators. Now this is a PHP conditional assignment operators. Okay, first is ternary operator, known as ternary operator, and second is null calling. Clear? You can see the example of ternary operator in the example column. Okay, here is a variable x, and this is the expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, and expression 3. After this we will put semicolon. Clear? Here expression 1 is a conditional expression. Here we will provide any condition. Clear? Any condition, then based on that condition, if the condition is true or false, expression 2 or 3 will be executed. Clear? If the condition is true, then expression 2 will be executed. But if the condition is false, then expression 3 will be executed. Clear? Returns the value of x. The value of x is expression 2 if expression 1 equal true. Okay, value of x will be expression 2 if expression 1 will be true. The value of x is expression 3. Okay, what we write in expression 3 is assigned to variable x if expression 1 is false. Clear? Here you can see the example here. In this example, we have two variables x and y. X have value 20 and y have value 30. And we are finding the greater number between these two variables. And what here we are writing condition. Expression 1 is a conditional expression and this is a condition. Okay. And here we have variable result. Whatever expression is executed, its value will be assigned to result variable. Clear? Now, if x greater than y, then we write x. Okay. If expression 1 is true, then value of x will be assigned to result variable. Why? If expression 1 is true, then value of expression 2, or we can say if expression 1 is true, then expression 2 will be executed, and in expression 2 we have variable x, and then value of x will be assigned to result variable. Clear? But if the expression 1 is false, then expression 3 will be executed, and in expression 3 we have variable y, and then value of y will be assigned to result variable. Okay, now we have x 20 and y have 30. So 20 is greater than 30. The condition is false. Clear? Now the expression 3 will be executed and value of y will be assigned to result. Now we are printing greater number is result, and result have value of y, which is 30. Clear? Is it clear to you? Students, is it clear to you? Okay, then see another example of conditional assignment. Okay, here we are having a variable x status. Okay, here in this example we have two cases. Clear? This is the output of first case and this is the output of second case. Clear? In the first example, this is a expression 1 and this is a expression 2 and this is a expression 3. Okay, now in this example we are using a library function empty. Clear? And passing the variable named user. We are passing it user variable, and this function what perform? it checks if the variable is empty or not. Okay, if the variable have any value or not. Clear? Empty function is what checking? It checking if the variable user have any value or not. Clear? In this case, we are not assigning any value to user variable. In the first case, variable user have value empty, null. Clear? And empty function check if the user variable have value or not. In this case, user variable is empty, so empty function returns true. Clear? And if the expression 1 is true, then expression 2 will be executed, and it assigns this string to status variable. Clear? Anonymous. Clear? Anonymous user, not any logged in user. Clear? And we are printing status variable, and it prints anonymous. Clear? And in the second case, we are assigning a value named Rakesh Kumar to user variable, and here we are checking empty user. This is expression 1, and here it returns false because user variable have a value. It is not empty now. Clear? And if the expression 1 is false, then what happen? It will execute expression 3, and in expression 3 we have a string logged in, and this string variable, this string value, okay, this string constant is assigned to variable status, and we are printing this variable status, and it prints logged in. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear to you? Next is conditional assignment operator. We have second type, null calling. In this example, in this table, we have second operator, and the symbol is double question mark. Null calling. It checks if the expression 1 is null or not. Clear? Returns the value of x. Okay, it returns the value of x. The value of x is expression 1 if expression 1 exists. Clear? Means and is not null. Clear? If expression 1 is not null, then it will assign its value to x variable. Okay, but if the expression 1 does not exist or is null, the value of x is expression 2. Okay, if the expression 1 is equal to null or have no value, empty, okay, means null means empty, then it will return, it will execute expression 2, or we can say it assigns value of expression 2 to x variable. Okay, clear? Now you can see the example here. uh, okay, okay, in this example, we have a variable named color and assigning a value black to it. Clear? Variable color is black, here black. Okay, if color does not exist or is null. Clear? What it means? The variable color is black. If color does not exist or is null, these are the two cases. But in this case, we are having a value black in the variable color. And here we are checking and also printing, okay, new color equal color null calling red, okay. But this line says if color has value black, then this variable have value of color variable. If color variable does not exist or null, then red is assigned to new color variable. Clear? In this example, we are having value black in the color variable, and here we are performing null calling. This is expression 1 and this is expression 2, and this operator will check if the expression 1 is empty or not, okay. If this expression 1 is not empty, means not null, then this will assign value of color variable to this variable. Clear? Now we have value in the color variable is black, so color variable is not empty, means not null, then it will assign the value of color variable which is black to this new color variable. Clear? And we are printing this and it will print black, okay. Now if we have color equal null, okay, suppose if we have null in the color variable, then in this case expression 1 will be false, the value of expression 2 will be assigned to new color variable. Clear? Is it clear to you? Okay, all these practicals we will do in our practical class. Okay, on this slide, this is the concept of precedence of PHP. As we said earlier, what is the precedence? Precedence is the priority of the operand. Operator precedence determines the grouping of terms in an expression. Okay, and what is expression? Expression is the combination of operators and operands. Like you have this like A plus B minus C multiply by D. Okay, and plus in the bracket we have E divided by F, okay, and then minus G modulus F, like this. This is the arithmetic expression. All their operators are arithmetic operators. Clear? And precedence decides which operator is to be executed first. Okay. But if there are parentheses in the expression, like here we have brackets, so in this case brackets will get higher priority, and first you have to solve the brackets, okay, and then modulus operator have higher priority, and then multiplication of operator have higher priority, okay, like this. You can solve like this according to the precedence. If we are not following priority of operands or operators, then the output may be false. Clear? This affects how an expression is evaluated. Certain operators have higher precedence than others. For example, the multiplication operator has higher precedence than the addition operator. Clear? For example, x equal 9 plus 5 into 2. Clear? Here x is assigned 19. not 28. Okay, because first we multiply 5 into 2 and then we add to 9 and assign to x. Not first we add 9 and 5 and then multiply by 2. Okay, because multiplication operator have higher priority than the arithmetic operator, so we will first solve multiplication operator and then addition, because multiplication has higher priority, higher precedence than plus, so it first get multiplied by with 5 into 2 and then adds into 9. Clear? Here the operators with the highest precedence appear at the top of the table, those with the lowest priority at the bottom. Within the expression, a higher precedence operator will be evaluated first. And this is the table. This is the operators like unary, decrement operator, increment, and logical not. Okay, additive, relational, equality, logical and logical or conditional. And here is the associativity means precedence rules like left to right. We will solve left to right. Decrement operator have higher priority. Okay, then increment. Clear? Like this. Right to left, left to right. Okay, multiplication have higher priority, then division, then modulus. Like this. Clear? Assignment operator have right to left means first this will be solved, then this, then this, then this. Okay, right to left. Higher priority, lowest, 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 and lowest. Clear? This is the precedence of PHP operators. Okay, priority of PHP operators. And now on the next slide, in the data type topic, we missed a data type, null data type. Okay, and now we have null data type. What is null data type? Null is a special data type which can have only one value, null. Null means empty. A variable of data type null is variable that has no value assigned to it. Okay, if a variable is created without a value, it is automatically assigned a value of null in PHP. Okay, like in C++, if you are creating a variable but not initializing it, it may have garbage value. Okay, but in PHP, if we are creating a variable without a value, then it is automatically assigned to null. A variable can also be emptied by setting the value to null. Clear? We can, like if x has value 10, we can set it to empty as x equal to null. Clear? Okay, you can see here. There are two cases. This is one and this is second case. Clear? Okay. First, we assigned value hello world, a string value to variable x, and here we are checking if x is empty or not. Clear? We are checking if x is empty or not. Here, and assigning to variable result. Clear? We are in the first expression, we are passing x to empty function and it returns false because x have string value hello world. Clear? Now expression 1 is false. Now which expression is to be executed? Expression 3, not null, and result variable have value not null. Clear? It will print not null. Clear? And in second case, we assigning a null value to the x variable, and here we are checking. Okay, here we have to write null, and here we have to write not null. Okay, and now we are checking empty x. Okay, now x is have value null, so x is empty. So this expression will return true, and expression 2 will be executed, and it will print, it will assign null to result variable, and result variable print null. Clear? This is all about the null data type. We have done operators. Clear? If anyone have doubt, you can ask me. Let me know. If anyone have any doubt, just let me know. Okay, students, you have to answer. Which of the following is the logical operator? Answer quickly. Answer the question. Which of the following is the logical operator? Mark the correct answer. Which of the following is the logical operator? Answer the question. Answer the question. Okay. The correct answer is second option. Second option is logical or. Now answer this question. I'm launching a poll. Following is the type of relational operator. Following is the type of relational operator. Answer this question, please. Following is the type of relational operator. Answer quickly. Following is the type of relational operator. And the right answer is first option, equal to operator. Clear? First option is the right answer. Okay, students. Thank you for watching the session. We will meet in next lecture.